this, on behalf of Godrej Sky Garden Panvel, I welcome Dr. Bharat Agarwal, Consultant General Physician at Apollo Hospitals, Navi Mumbai.
Namaskar.
Doctor, we have our first question. Does coronavirus affect a person only once?
As of now, if you go by international data and literature, we have not got any positive case who has repeated. So as of now, those who have been suffering from the disease have suffered once. We haven't yet proven that somebody's got a repeat infection so far.
So, what is the risk of infection in pregnant women and neonates?
Pregnant women are more prone because the body's immunity does come down. There has been no documented evidence yet of from vertical transmission, that means transmitting from mother to her child immediately post delivery. So nothing reported so far.
So, Doctor, am I protected against COVID-19 if I had the influenza vaccine this year?
No, not at all. Even if you have taken the influenza vaccine, the strains are different. So the regular influenza vaccine does not protect you against the COVID-19.
If a mother or pregnant lady is confirmed or suspected to COVID-19, should she continue breastfeeding?
This confirmed or suspected COVID, ideally you should not do breastfeeding because there's a lot of close proximity. If you're isolating yourself, it's complete isolation with irrespective of anything. Probably you can express your breast milk and give it and hand it over so that the neonate can have the milk but not in close proximity. So the idea is not to maintain close proximity.
So, how do I prepare my children in case of COVID-19 outbreak in our community?
Keep them indoors as far as possible. If they're going out, if it's very essential to take them out, then make sure they wear masks, maintain distances, ensure their nutrition. So they should be on a good, well-balanced diet, supplements if necessary. But if they're taking a well-balanced diet of proteins, the carbohydrates, the fats, that should be good. Fruits, that should be good.
So, if a patient is already been infected by COVID and has clinically recovered but later develops symptoms again of COVID-19, should the person be isolated again or go forward for the?
So you should isolate first if the symptoms persist, and as per the recommendations of the government, whether testing is necessary or not. If the symptoms persist, we should retest. Definitely yes. Especially if you got one PCR negative earlier from the previous infection, we can always retest and see whether you develop it again.
So, what precautions to be taken if a patient has asthma?
The same precautions as which are the recommendations for the general population. Make sure you use your inhalers well. Monitor yourself. At the slightest of symptoms of worsening breathlessness, cough or fever, report to your healthcare facility or your regular chest physician.
Are patients with hypertension at risk for severe illness for COVID-19?
Hypertension in isolation, no. The risk factors remain nearly the same, but yes, patients who are diabetic, patients who are on immunosuppressants, hypertension associated with other illnesses, definitely they are at more risk for complications.
How important it is to wear a mask?
A mask is very important, especially if you are moving around in public spaces, for both things, not to transmit and not to get. So every person is a potential transmitter of the infection. So please ensure you wear your masks whenever you are moving out in public spaces. If you are in isolated spaces like your house, you need not wear one.
Thank you, Doctor, for joining this session. On behalf of Godrej Sky Garden Panvel, I thank you.
Thank you.